Good morning, purr. Happy Sunday. Guys, me I go on the road. Me and this one here. True from what day I'm gonna make mistake and tell AJ say me I camp somewhere. I never end up go because the rain did that shower down. So true that every day that God said AJ get up. April, we go on the road today. So today me I go on the road, so I say let me camp. And then nothing extra. Because mommy said she not cook no rice and peas today. She said she cook macaroni and cheese. No more want to tell me if this makes sense. Mama go a shop. She said she cook macaroni and cheese, you know. And she go a supermarket and buy everything and I buy no cheese. Make it make sense. Some of us are run go on the road. Go get some cheese, milk. Whatever. I don't know me I can't with me, so I don't know say I know eventually see. What I decide forget. But listen up. The earring don't look bad. Because I said to myself, so when I go to the ear because I truly can't see the whole of the back head pull out, you know. Because one day my niece they start pulling out for me. But same time Ari start name up herself because she want to sleep. So I said, try your man left here, I just go put Ari to bed. And right now the whole of the back pull out and the whole of the top left. So I just catch it up, left out them two dingle dangle, so I make like a style and sweep in the edges them. Even though them soon come out. But anyways, I just tell you what I want. So when time we reach the supermarket, we pick it up. And the supermarket, but I'm not going to see AJ because me I go hold the camera and I give him the basket because what the other saying they go again? I'm going to carry him weight around here. So I'm going to flip the camera. We're going to walk right now and I look for cheese. The guy said them in at the fridge. Oh, here we go. Same here, AJ. Mommy said at 2 mac and cheese she make, so you know I forget a sensible amount of cheese. Hello, you hold on. You hold on. Can you look like you have some money I don't know about? Put it back. We can't fling down my purse, brothers. Come hold the basket. Mommy says she's making 2. So I need Wally Pat cheese. Put it down at ground, AJ. Put it down. Put it down. Why am I left my purse yesterday?
I can't get too much cheese. I want to need too much.
I'm gonna leave this amount because I'm gonna buy some of the regular yellow cheese. So now we're going to get milk. Come, AJ. AJ, wait for me. But I'm not knowing nothing there. During weekdays, them sell a nice rotisserie over here. So you see? Come, AJ. What a milk, Lee? I'm just be okay. Here we go. Mommy have 1 milk already, but she want 2, she need another. Alright, my dear, so I try to remember what else Mommy say. My brother said him want what name again? Mashed potato too. So I for going to the market go buy Irish. But I buy it in here so cause it don't make no sense. But I'm gonna buy a piece of that regular yellow cheese that up there so I go with them here. But I just want to make sure I don't need anything else in here. Go down to AJ. This way. Yes, so yeah, straight with the little baskets. Yeah, straight. I'm not in that little baskets.
Yeah.
Right here, so we'll go. So one little cheap grapes, so I'm gonna buy it. Yeah, I'm gonna buy this one. Put this in my basket, Daisy. I'm gonna take up one of them apple for AJ because I already know him. I already asked me feed. After I make sure I tell him before I start the video, say, hey boy, don't tell me say you want nothing. Want to see my face. I tell the boy, I said, don't come tell me say you want nothing because you know me not have it, but you want to come show me up. Anyway, I just take up the little apple film. Go on, back up. Come up this way. I'm not missing me for buy though. She said butter. Maybe I forgot hang up on and call mommy, you know, just to make sure I'm not forget nothing. Not me a tour out the people in supermarkets. Take care of your head. Look on that little boy you do, God. Are you gonna take up a piece of this cheese? Mommy said if I buy 2 pounds of Irish. And they have some because you need to walk up. But also gotta take up about 3 of them. Your mommy didn't go buy so much cheese now. Anyway, I just hope it's enough. It must enough. Wait, AJ, come on, I don't know if I forget anything. You want one of them snack here? Yeah. I'm gonna get me a barbecue Lay's because it's the best Lay's. Take up something. Come on, about that deliberate like you get options. Come now. Usually them have yeah, can try. I'm recording, but you're not skinny. You're not. Yes, I wouldn't do that.
Apple.
Adjust the register, Mama.
Price this one, please.
Usually them have cookie in here, but I don't see them with none.
Cookie.
I'm gonna do one little cookie, God no. Alright, so there's something here because I put one next cheese funny. So see it there? 4,000 something, basically $5,000. So I come go down the market now. I stop right just in the market. So I get the 2 pound of Irish. Them say $300 a pound. Right. We don't know in the market. I'm showing you in what day. I think give me here, mommy. I tell my neighbor say she want corn, you know. How long she not eat corn.
Nobody will say that.
Alright. How much for corn? 400 like a bag? Wow, see that's much for corn. That's so much for corn, you know. I want to go one bag. I don't know if mommy go cook it. Yeah, I buy that little one bag, yeah. No, I don't want the one, yeah. I don't know if I love how them look. But them can cut still. Buy that one and cut off the little end. Alright, that's it, man. After AJ, I carry the bag good. All of a sudden, my ear say my turn. So I have to have the big bag right here. So, anyways, I buy piece more butter. So if I buy a piece more butter, I never remember to forget the pan. If I buy 1 pan for bake the macaroni and cheese in a, so I have to go back in the one next supermarket, but I now go back up this because I already left up there. My brother, so if I buy rum feed. So one place don't have to sell alcohol cheaper. So I go just buy the pan same place down there. So hopefully I get it because but I waste my time and I have to really go come back way up there. So forget the pan them. So oh God, don't remind me now, I know I can't remember nothing. Butter. 2 pan. My brother said I buy rum. God, I hope I remember. I know that place I look for rum. I don't know if I Room. Which one in your room there? You care about the people there. Come in. You see how people stay. When I work, me ask the man in here. Me ask the man which part in here. Room select. The man tell me say I forgot for head office. Up at HR. You see how people stay. It's alright. Me walk and look for myself. I better get me go ask Miss Chid. Miss Chid now the time for joke around with me. Yeah, I just another taxi. I just go buy what I have to buy. Mr. Why I come? Sit down yesterday now. I say I go eat one of them grapes and I wash them because it now kill me. But bad for bad. That's the truth. Look on him. Why do I look so? I eat that. Me eat that one here will look kind of funny. It now kill me. Anyway, we're in a taxi stop. We'll come go back up now. Alright, so you can see my reach home. So, we're in a farm. Mom want to get to cooking right now after 2. So, I'm going to change my clothes and wear. I'm going to take air, but I'm going to close out the video, yeah. So, I don't know, so I'm showing the Sunday morning got a long time afternoon now. So, I'm going to see you in the next video. Bye!